Hey yo, sorry I'm a little bit late. Malfunction happened. You know, part of the fun. Moving on, let's have a look. See, I haven't marked out anything. That's fine. I feel like there's a hair in my eyeball and it's driving me absolutely crazy. Nope, we're good. We're okay. We're okay somehow. Don't ask me how, but we're okay. Let's do this. Making sure that behaves, that behaves, that behaves. Let's now go through everything. London high has been taken. Asia high is higher up. London low naturally is where I freaking entered into a potential short, but it's fine. I had my confirmations. It is what it is. So I had a little loss this morning. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see what else we got. Okay. So done. It's going level to level still. This is still kind of yucky. This is still kind of yucky, but it's okay. We're gonna continue. I know I'm low-key talking to myself right now, but it's okay. Hey OTT, what's up? Will it be a bloody Friday today? I mean, I feel like it's already been a bloody Friday. Hear me out. London session, majority of the people said that they had losses. So let's see. OTT, what are you expecting from today, out of curiosity? Hey hugs, hey guys. Oh, hey Trader Neptune, how goes it? Yeah, you know, can't complain. I can't complain. I had a little loss this morning, but it's fine. We continue. We've got this. I mean, I'm looking to catch a short though. OTT, I agree. I'm still bearish bias. I am still bearish bias. So let's see if we get the opportunity. Let's hope we get some movement and we're not just gonna continue on this sideways choo-choo train at this point. Choo-choo. Okay. It was becoming unhinged this morning. I think, yeah, it's fine.
Hi.
Let's get this.
Hi.
Let's get this party
Good morning.
started. Whew. Okie dokie. London, I was also bearish, so I would have taken a loss in London. See, so it's okay, right? Things happen. It doesn't sound like anyone really had a good London session, so it's fine. We now wait for New York. I have everything marked out, believe it or not. Yep, I have everything marked out. So now we just continue. Now we just, oh, I did not mark that out very nicely though. Bloop. There we go. Okay, let's do this thing. We have a few minutes to go. Sorry, like I said, I hopped on a bit late today. My light then decided it didn't want to work. Then when I fixed the light, the camera decided it had enough of me. It's fine. Hey, Haro, what's up? OTT. Hey, go have fun. How you doing? Are we all ready, steady? Yes, I think we're ready, steady. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm being a positive person about this one. This is wild. What happened here? Oh, 8:30. Wasn't it news, or didn't someone talk at 8:30 today? Didn't something happen at 8:30? Because this is quite a wild candle. These two little wiki wicks over here. There was something. What happened at 8:30? Hey Jennifer, what's up? How you doing? Hey oh Bob, how are you? Don't feel bad. Don't be ridiculous, right? Don't be ridiculous. Just nearly dropped everything there. Bob, these level to levels are getting a tad bit ridiculous. I'm just saying. Juan, what's up? You still short from yesterday? Wait, so you're still in a trade or you still short bias? Which one is it? OTT, it's getting a little bit insane, but it's fine. Yeah, it's ridiculous. You're still in the short. Like, fully? Did you take partials? What happened? Did you see that? Unfortunately, if I did take that short from yesterday, it would have been a loss. Unfortunately. I don't know if you saw. Today is pretty low probability for definitive bias since the week is making its ranging accumulation close. No, that's true. Also, core PPI was at 8:30. Yes, that's what happened here at this wick. So it's fine. We wait, see if it's going to give us good conditions, good market conditions. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. And I have still a green week. Yes, I was up $300. Still a green week, barely. I'll call it like a break-even week, but yeah. How do you think Bob Lewis would do good on crypto? Bob? Good question. Bob, do you think the Bob levels would do good on crypto? I think, yeah, there's a place for all the Bob levels, technically. I think. Sorry, I should not be speaking for Bob, but my understanding is yes. Yeah, so my first partial will be off at 25096. So you haven't even taken any partials yet? What? 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 Wish I was up 300. I'm not up 300 anymore. I'm up like 100. Because I took that half loss yesterday, then I had a win. So I was up like $300. Then I had the loss this morning, so down 200. So I'm up around $100. So, I mean, it's still green. I'm still up. For now. Let's see what New York brings. Let's see what New York brings. But it's fine. This long moves. Damn, that's insane. That is really insane. Like, wow. I don't know if it's so interesting, right? So I say, I don't know if I'm brave enough to do swing trading. And swing traders say they don't know if they not all swing traders, sorry, I'm generalizing a little bit, but some swing English. Some swing traders say that they don't know if they're brave enough to do like day trading, like the minute scalping. And then obviously investors say that they don't know if they're brave enough to do, you know, like swing or day trading. I just find it really interesting, but I think it really does just show that different things work for different people. You can't guarantee that one thing will work for someone else, right? There's different personality types and people prefer different things, which is a good thing. It would be very boring if everyone was the same. I'm down. You don't even want to know. I low-key do now. Hey, yo, DJ, how you doing? Aw, Liam, you're so sweet. Thank you. Manager Chinmay, what's up? Chinmay? Chinmay? I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Kwon, less stress and less noise. See, I personally like busyness. I know that's weird. See, so again, it's just preferences. There's no right or wrong. It's just all about preference. Well, that doesn't. What about Bitcoin, Bob? Sorry, I'm throwing it out there. I have no idea. Oh, this is barcoding. Swing trading is just studying the 1 hour chart as if it was the 5 minute and having higher time frame biases and holding out. No, that's valid. 100%. And then it's technically larger trades. Correct? Obviously. Larger trades, but it means your win rate doesn't have to be as high. Correct me if I'm wrong. Obviously, I haven't really done much with regards to swing trading, so please tell me if I'm talking absolute rubbish, but that's my understanding, correct? You know my name? Well, I can see your name there. Long stop losses, long TPs, and time. Dip coming. Hey, Dom, what's up? 22 hours. How are you? If Ashley gives me a ticker symbol, I'll do one for him. Ah, there we go. OTT, you're getting some special treatment over here. You're getting some special Bob treatment. I love it. Also, again, hey guys, how's it going? Good morning.
Hi. Hi.
To those that have just woken up.
Good morning.
Good afternoon to the others, and good evening to some. Don't forget to press that like button. If you want control and access to the memes, you can get some memberships, and then you have access to all these weird and wonderful things like this.
That's what she said.
Anyway, sorry. And yeah, last thing, if you guys want to show some more support, if you are with any of the prop firms, in my description below, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. That's it. That's my speech done. Carrying on. Okay. And like that. Oh, this is happy sad? Oh, I got it. This is just like emotional music because you're happy sad. Noted. Noted. Doing good. I've now converted my trading to half scalping and half short swing trading. Swing trading for me has a way larger success rate, but I don't see an opportunity often. Like once every 2 days, I see an opportunity. But that's fine. That's swing trading. You don't see opportunities, or you don't get opportunities as often. That's why scalping is more like day trading, where swing trading isn't a day trading situation. Not always. If you use your same confirmations and confluences on the daily and weekly, it will make more sense for you too. Shinmei? Oh, sorry. Have I pronounced your name correctly all the time? Have you changed it? Sorry, I apologize if I forgot. I feel really bad now. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, look, it's opening. Okay, 9:30. Let's mark out the tings. Okay, we have 30 seconds to go. Oopsies, hello. So much for that. The 1 minute execution, 1 minute 5. How much is the activation fee for top 1 futures when you pass your EVA? I don't think there is an activation fee on top 1. I know Violin has a bit of a larger activation fee, unfortunately. Wow. Hey, Ryan. Ryan is always amused. What about money? What do I day trade? Hey, Robbie. So I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Bob level to Bob level again. Cool. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Oh wait, no, I am doing the correct thing. It's just, give me a second. I need to change the settings. Nope. Order. Yep. Nope. Yep. Cool. Okay. And let's add a text. Here's the 9:30 range. Okay, so here's the 9:30 range. If we're just gonna get chopped today, I'm gonna be sad. Let's see what happens though. Pump and dump. Yeah, OTT. That's the so Butonox technically is actually really cheap. The only thing is the activation fee, but once the activation fee is done, it's technically one of the cheaper prop firms. It's just the activation fee, which is the problem. But technically, it is actually one of the cheaper prop firms. Like I said, they get you with the activation fee. I'm from India, so it's possible that you're not able to pronounce the Indian name properly. Maybe? Is it not Shinmei? Am I not pronouncing it correctly? I'm so sorry if that's the case. What's up, Aaron? Kwon short, yes. Was I calling you Jean again? I'm so sorry. Kwon. Get it right, Maya, damn. You best believe I'm going to be calling you Aaron. And if someone comes whose name is Lloyd with 2 L's, I'm going to be calling them Lloyd. From that little skit, sorry. Maybe I shouldn't be laughing at that, but anyways. that's a compliment. Thank you. Hey, Lucky, what's up? Well, no, I did have a little bit of a break, but I'm back. Always got to be dedicated to the charts. Here, twice a day, every day. Oh, nice. What's up, Aaron? How you doing? I know, I remember the name. I think I remember asking, is it okay if I called you Aaron? Today I'm going with it. I'm sorry. In the fun, just G's been an office, like not become a friend. I guess that's fair. Hello from the gym. From the gym? What's that? How's it going, Sally? Wait. Are you actually at the gym and you just spelled that very incorrectly? Come on, take a position. No! Good grief. Not until I get my confirmations. I love the confidence you guys have in me sometimes that I'm just gonna be like, yeah, sure. Okay, here's the 5 minute. I can see already it's not gonna break above. So there's the 5 minute. Watch as I say that it breaks above. No, okay, we have 15 seconds. 16. Let's see if this creates our first presented. Da 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 da. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have a little first presented. Cool. Oh, that it's just been completely disrespected. Awesome, awesome. Anyways, here's the first presented. Sorry, I know this looks a little bit chaotic. Sorry. It is a little bit chaotic. Oh, that was a good reaction off of the first presented, though. Is it bad that everything's kind of pointing to a long right now? Rejected off of VWAP, going back up. I mean, we're stuck in the 930 range, so it's actually hands off until we get out of this 930 range, but this is kind of pointing to a long the 930 range, so let's not jump the gun. Wait for confirmation. Lucky, I did take a trade. It was an A+ setup, and I took it. Unfortunately, it was a loss. Right at London low. Anyways, it's fine. It was an A+, and I took it, so I can't be upset about that. Maybe on the accountability, though, I must make a note that I forgot to double-check the higher time frames before. But it's fine. Glad you're able to discern when the market is just in bad condition. You used to struggle with forcing bad trades despite the market's not giving me anything. Yeah, it's what I've... Yeah. Like, even here, there was a few times I could have taken trades, theoretically, but they weren't ideal. Here, it was maybe a little bit of a fake up, but I had my confirmation that we were gonna go, and unfortunately it just didn't work, but it was still an A+, so I can't be upset about it. Things happen. It is what it is. I'll come back, Maya, still not part. I'm sorry, yeah. Today's the day. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Let's see. Yeah, Jim doing legs, making... Wait, isn't it like the middle of the night? Why is your gym open? Send a voice recording for evidence purposes. Please do it. And hopefully catch you passing. Oh, thanks, Ollie. I appreciate that. Okay, Shinmei, so you are short here now. Now that it's broken below, I'm gonna need some confirmation before we do that. Am I sure about those longs? No, I'm not sure about those longs. I'm not sure about those longs, but like I said, until it breaks out of anything, to me it's just sideways, and it's stuck in a range. Whenever I see you in trading. What a passion. Hope I profit along. Oh, thank you. I read forfeit and I was like, okay. Sorry, you just think I'm that bad. It's all right, thank you. I appreciate that. 1 step at a time. 1:37 a.m. A 24-hour gym, that's crazy. What? In Australia, gyms are open 24/7. So I have come to realize that OTT, maybe you can confirm this for me. I guess it doesn't really matter for us non-social people, but South Africa technically doesn't have a very good nightlife, if that makes sense. So like my best friend that lives in London, because she was used to London, she came down to visit and she was like, yeah, we can go out and have like dinner at 10 p.m. And I was like, no, we can't. We definitely cannot. Everything is closed at that time. Everything is like closed and done and dusted by 9. That's not gonna happen. She was even like, yeah, we can go out for drinks here and there. I was like, only place you can go after a certain time is like clubs, and I feel too old to do that. So yeah, South Africa doesn't have like the bestest nightlife, if I'm being honest. Yeah, after confirmation, my setup is for selling side. Okay, so it looks like a lot of people are on the bearish side of life. Let's see. They don't let you in the sauna after hours. So I thought the alarm was on the button. Oh no! Yes, one step at a time is good. Oh, thank you. Mostly closed, but like for dinners and whatnot, or fun things is closed. Exactly. Shiny disco ball. Bob? What? Don't take this to my hand. Going on about? Sorry, you have officially lost me. I'm still not hating longs. I know I'm gonna be judged for saying that. Obviously, that would have stopped me out, but yeah. Okay, let's see. There's a break above. Not a great break above, but there's a break above the 5-minute 9:30 a.m. chart. Are we gonna go bob level to bob level? Let's see if this might tap into this level. Oh, maybe we're gonna take out Asia high and then have a reversal back down. That's a possibility. That's a possibility. This might come grab Asia high and then we're gonna have that shift down to the bear side, the sell side. Do I have a battle shield like stop loss with... Are you saying do I always have a stop loss? Yes, I do. I do always set a stop loss. 100%. Yeah, no. I'm not one of those people that does not set a stop loss. Ooh, no thanks. No thanks. How do I go short from 912? Okay. Interesting. Nope. Yeah, you guys are not gonna love me. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So majority bias right now is shorts. So let's see. Hey Tyler, what's up? How are you doing? Venkatesh? Hi, that's a cool name to say. And 25912. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. On KNQ is what I'm looking at. What? You're short from 912. Okay, but now I'm confused. Where's your what? Oh, thanks, Tyler. Have an amazing weekend. I hope it's a goodie. Look at hourly. Okay. Sorry, I know this is a lot. Wait, give me a second. Okay. Let's see. I still feel like this might want to go up. Just personally, I could be very wrong. You guys can laugh at me and say, haha, if it doesn't work out that way, but let's see. So 912, 912, 912, 912. You said you were short from 912, but what are you looking for? I'm confused now. One, that was the trap. Manipulation, buy side, sell side, distribution. Pushing and see with two horizontal lines without indicators. Hey Anton, what's up? Well, she's gonna dump. Folks, no, not that I don't like the short. Let's just see. I mean, it has retested this first presented a few times, so it might start to break through here. Here we go. This might be the breakthrough. Didn't close decently out of the 5 minutes, so yeah, this could be the shift back down now. Like you said, this could be the manipulation to the buy side. Let's see. This is why I'm hands off, right? When you're not 100%, hands off. If you know, then awesome, go for it. Got a Discord? We got a Discord. What do you mean? Would I ever try swing trading? I don't know. Sure, I don't know if I'd ever try swing trading. I don't know. I don't know. I couldn't. Oh, got it. Hey, Boom. Hi, Boom. How are you doing? Nice to see you too, Boom. Damn. Anyways, hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And Myth the Legend. She's a dump. Don't say that. Hey Theodore, what's up? So I'll be trading my evaluation with you from Monday. What? Why? Oh, okay. What's up, Theodore? How you doing? Anton, we up. If you want to know why, me typing it wouldn't be enough. That's okay. Don't worry. Hey, Angel, what's up? To the people who do swing trading, are your emotions more suppressed compared to scalping? That's a very good question. Okay, to those that do swing trade, are your emotions more suppressed compared to scalping? Viral Divas, what's up? How are you? That was terrible. That was absolutely diabolical. It must be tiring running through my mind all day. That deserves this. Wow. Take that how you will, but that was good. That was good. DJ, smaller position sizes but longer hold times. Pick your poison. Swing trading is the best one as per my experience. Interesting. I'm less stressed because I don't have to worry about all the BS like what you're just dealing right now. Do I use prop firm? I do, Anton. I do use a prop firm. What's up? How are you doing? Back into range. Ooh, we've made relative equal lows here. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. Did not make it on ES though. Okay, sorry. I'm listening to you guys slash watching what's happening here. Scalping is more or less stressful than swing trading. It suits different styles and conditions. Oh, isn't. Scalping isn't... What? Oh, got it. Scalping isn't more or less stressful than swing trading. It suits different styles and conditions. There we go. Got it. Sorry, that hurt my brain for a minute there, but it's okay. I got it eventually. Yeah, it's rejecting solidly off of VWAP today. That is what it's doing, especially on NQ. Well, most of these rejections have been because they're rejecting off of VWAP. Here it's sat on VWAP. Rejection, rejection, rejection of the bob level. That just ran through it. This one just ran through it. Sat on VWAP again. Okay, let's see. I still haven't tried any prop firm, but I'm planning to. Do you have any recommendations? Well, Anton, I think first things first, what do you trade? Maybe that's, yeah, first question. What do you trade? What style of trader are you? Like, what are your preferences? Scalping is much more stressful, so much more noise. You can be easily manipulated into over trading. Maya, will you ever try out future commodities, micro gold, copper, crude oil? Day 40 of spreading my commodity propaganda. I mean, you know that I've tried to have a look at gold before. So I have had a look at gold. I don't know about silver. People say gold is a lot and silver is even scarier. So I don't know if I don't know if I'm brave enough to attempt silver yet. But I have had a look at gold, micro gold to be specific. It's all right, but everybody has their own style. Yes. Do your own. That's good. You, Viral Leaves, any predictions about Bitcoin? So personally, I mean, I haven't looked at Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin, but from what I've heard, it sounds like it's going below. Hey, Aaron, what's up? What you laughing at? If 850 holds doesn't break, or I get a rally, I'm out. Anyway, sorry, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Have you ever tried sleeping with the swing trade open? Oh my gosh. Solly, do you swing trade? Oh, at least with scalping you can close down for the night. I think that's the thing. I would feel really good being able to just call it, right? I know technically, theoretically, swing trading, you could say you could be making money while you're sleeping. In the same breath, you could be losing money while you're sleeping, right? I don't know. Again, it's just preference. I don't think there's anything good or bad about either. It's just about personal preference and what works for different people. Below 80k. Hey, Aaron. Coin, yeah. Hogs below 80k. Thank you. I trade almost everything from commodities, indices, and forex. Okay, okay. Ooh. I can't have much of a say. I haven't used a ton of... And where are you from? Maybe that's the next question. Sorry, Anton. Where are you from? Where are you from? Sorry, because that also obviously has a little bit of an effect. That's the thing. Anything could happen. Anything unpredictable could happen when you're asleep. That's why before I never wanted to try swing trading. But my style is day trading, holding for a day or two. Is that day trading or is that swing trading? Anton, I feel like that's swing trading. If you're holding for a day or two, doesn't that count as swing trading? Gold hit above 5k. Whoever said nobody's perfect has clearly have the mirror that was bad. Anyways, I tried to swing trade forex while I was at work, but I kept pulling my phone out every 2 minutes, checking on the position. I'm all suited for getting in and out. Yeah, 100%. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Luke Sky. I don't know if that's your real name, but if it is, I'm so positive that people called you Luke Skywalker often. Anyways. It's Friday, don't get weak now. Who's tried commodities on this live? A few people trade gold and stuff here. Where's OTT gone? Oh, I think he's probably focusing on a trade right now. But OTT, I know he does. Right? Yes. No, wait, I could be lying to you now. Who's tried commodities? Anything overnight is considered swing. There we go. Okay, thank you. So, Anton, technically you do swing trading, not day trading. Hey, Bohar, did I take a short? I took one in London. Did not work. But no, this is just going back and forth, back into range. So I'm still hands off until we get confirmation. maybe today is just not my day, and that's okay. It's day trader, not everyday trader. Not every day is going to be the correct price action for your strategy. Pick your days, right? I did have an A+ setup earlier. Unfortunately, it was a loss, but things happen. Don't take it personally. OTT does sound like the type of guy to know all about commodities. Yeah, right, Solly? Thank you. Hogs love commodities. Oh, there we go. Hogs trades commodities. Does it matter if it's swing or intraday? No, it doesn't really. Like I said, I think everyone can do their own thing. I'm from Bulgaria. What's up, Anton? Okay. I don't know why I said what's up, Anton. I'm sorry. So you're from Bulgaria, which means you have access to everything, or are you on the banned list for something? Sorry. So I'm from South Africa. What's up? So I'm a little bit more limited to what I can and cannot use with regards to prop firms. So that's why I'm asking where you're from. Are you limited, or do you have free reign over everything? What's happening? Oh, don't worry. OTT, sorry, were you focusing? We're asking about commodities. I could be off right now and just take off my position but I want to take my money to full profit. No, that's fair. Kwon. Day trader, not everyday trader. I thought you forgot about that. No, never. I never forget about it. I was telling myself that this morning, but when that A+ setup came around, I was like, hey, let's do it. But it looks like it low-key looks like today just might not be the day. I'm seeing here that this technically would have also looked like an A+ setup, but no luck. Just looking at this here. Maybe the price action today is just not respecting the levels that I wanted to. And that's fine. You know, it's not always going to respect those levels, so it's fine. It's stuck. It's stuck. This price action is stuck. That's all it is right now. It's just stuck. Hey, G Native. It's 5 p.m. Same Z as you, South African. What's up? Me too. I'm also South African. How you doing? G Native Soul Official. Nice. I mean, commodities was what I traded first way before NQ and ES. There we go. See, we knew it. Kwon, you love this? You love what? What do you love? Hey, oil man, I think in a year's time oil would decrease a bunch in 2009 or something. I'm on this one from country. Damn, okay, carrying on. Still need a break of 850 or my sell is disqualified. Yeah, it just keeps bouncing off of this 850. Well, actually, it didn't even reach 850 here. Heh, interesting. Okay. Tip trades, no, 100%. No better way to describe this right now. We're obviously still gonna give it a little bit of time, but I mean, this is shocking. This is shocking price action at this point. Let's see. At this point, it might benefit me more to call it early and hop on Discord and discuss. Good grief, discuss different markets and stuff with people than sit on this. But that being said, it could still break. It's nearly 10. Let's see what happens at 10. We have a few minutes left. 2 minutes left to be specific. Let's see if we get some action happening at 10 a.m. Maybe? Nope, maybe not. Never mind. Hey, Peewee. Struggling to break anything. Still pushing more to the buy side, but still struggling to break. The market is chopped. Oh, 100%. 100%. No, why has someone moved away from commodities? They are the best. Your commodity propaganda. I'm so here for it, DJ. I love it. I'm in an ear short, but this is just straight chop. No ways, really? See, okay, obviously I'm only looking at the 1 minute, but right now on the 1 minute... No, there it's breaking below. Never mind. Here we go. Is it gonna break the 50? Where's the 50? There we go. Hey, hey, what did I say about 10? Always wait for 10. I don't know what. No, it's not even 10 yet. Never mind. Ignore me. I think Bulgaria has access to most. I'm not very sure. My positions are quite small still. Oh, that's okay. Anton, how long have you been trading for? They're great. I trade them sometimes, but I use 5 minute and 3 minute for commodities, which those trades don't happen often. I'll hold this. It's either stop loss or TP, no in between. Oh, cool. Cool, cool. On, buy. No. I don't think anything. When it's going sideways, it's hands off. Sorry. I can suspect things, doesn't mean I'm right. That was a good drop off of this bob level, so theoretically actually to buy here for a few points to go to the next bob level wouldn't be terrible. Still struggling to break below though, really? Well, it broke below that 850 zone, right, Haro? That's what you were looking for. Like 8 years. Damn, okay, nice. And profitable or meh? How's it been going for you? So I've been trading for a year in April. Yeah. I also went long on oil. It's going up, swing trade. Nice. Good fair value gap for entry. No, no, no. Sorry, maybe that's just me being a negative Nancy, but no, no, no. Until I get confirmation that this is actually moving in a specific direction, I'm still hands off. This is still not good price action to me. Yes, there's a fair value gap. Doesn't mean anything. My A+ setup earlier had a beautiful fair value gap. Meant absolutely nothing. I nearly swore. Nearly swore in Afrikaans. Hey Jason Frank, what funding programs do you use in South Africa? I mean, there's a few. I mean, Top 1 Futures, you can go instantly fund it. Violin, you can also go instantly fund it. There's a few, right? OTT, you can maybe also... I thought you weren't going break even, OTT, sorry. OTT would be able to help you out a little bit more with regards to that. Sorry, I'm not always... Like I said, I haven't even been trading for a year yet, so I'm not always the most aware of all of these things. But what funding programs do you use as a South African? OTT? Help me out here. You've been trading a lot longer than me. Commodities are good even if you just trade occasionally off the news. Oil news always good to trade off. ICT is in the other chat I'm in. Which other chat are you in, Huddle? Thanks for the American president. Let me quite clear when oil is gonna drop. Yeah. Oh, no problem, Jason. I got ya. Wait, are you South African? So I'm curious why I only trade the 1 minute. It works better for my brain. Maybe that sounds dumb, sorry. But I don't know how to explain it. I feel like I see things easier off of the 1 minute. You know, that being said, I have traded the 5 minute and things before. Maybe you can blame the ADHD. I like the noise, which is weird. Right? I like the noise. I know a lot of people hate the noise. I like the noise. It keeps my attention. Again, I'm ADHD, so, you know. That was a good rejection off of the first presented. Let's wait for more confirmation that it is going to continue down. I would say I turned consistent in the past year. Before that was rough. Damn, Anton. Okay. And how often do you trade? How's it? What's up, Byron? How are you? No, this chop took out a low, which could reverse from... Oh, okay, got it. Are you frozen or slow ass read? I mean, I could be both, Solly. Damn. I'm an auntie, remember? I'm slow at everything. Yes, I am based in Cape Town. Hey, amazing. Welcome. We got a few South Africans here. I love it. I love it. I love it. Welcome, welcome. What does he mean funding programs like props and brokers? I think so, right, Jason? Is that what you mean? What props and brokers? So Jason, also, all the prop firms in my description below are SA friendly. Yeah, so that also helps. You can then have a look and see what works best for you and if they have options that you want. But yeah, all of the options in my description below are indeed SA friendly as well. Not my break even getting hit. Yeah, at least it was break even, right? OTT, that's not bad. Hey bro, Lick, what's up? How are you? Sorry, again, speaking about ADHD, this is why I end up just playing with weird and random things on my desk, because the focus doesn't focus always. Jason, have you seen the penguins in the cut? Humor this. Use the hour and 15 for your areas of interest and execute on the 1 minute. No, so I do. I go, like I said, I'm not even bothering right now because this is going sideways, but hear me out. I check, I get confirmations on the 5, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour chart. So I do check out the higher time frames. Sometimes I forget, and that's on me. I need to get better at confirming, but I do chop and change between the higher time frames. It's just that right now, there we go. Sorry, I looked like you could see the ADHD. Right now, there's no point because I'm not trading this. Nothing would work for me right now. Anton, every day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. please. Anton, I'm currently using top 1 futures. Yeah, so that's the prop I'm currently using. Oh, thank heavens. Okay, so it's not just me being an auntie. Look at that. Nice, Solly, nice. This got a high chance of hitting TP. Hey, that's awesome. Okay, then that's good, that's good. Let's see. Like I said, this is still struggling to break the 5-minute chart. Let's see. OTT, keep me posted. Let me know so I can do a whoop whoop for you. Let's see how this goes now. Still watching this, just range. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me, sorry. Whew, I'm so sorry. It took my break even. Oh well, skis. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hey Lima, what's up? How do you add people on the phone? I'm so slow at typing names. I don't know if you can on the phone. Maybe that's the problem. I always avoid going below 15-minute chart. So G natives, do you do more swing trading then, right? Oh, thank you, Turtle on Ice. Thanks, I appreciate it. No one ever says bless me when I sneeze on live, and that's very mean. So I appreciate you saying bless you to me. What did I say? Would this have hit stop loss? One thing I learned yesterday on a paper account is to never put a limit order and go to sleep. Oh, but Sam, what happened? At least you're on a paper account, but damn, please tell me. I need to know what happened. What happened? Capital preservation is the first step to profitability. Hey, I like that. Risk management. Risk management. It's key. Discipline, risk management, and I forgot what the third one was. There we go. There we go. It's patience. Patience. Oh my gosh. Wow, my brain is malfunctioning today. I got 2 green trades already. I'm happy to end my week green. Hey, OTT, well then, whoop whoop. Oh, Lima, you know what? I can't complain. How are you doing? I definitely can't complain. This is for OTT. Anyone else that's had a green week, this is for you. It was a long that immediately got stopped. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. At least you had a stop loss, right? You know. That's why stop losses are important. You can have your limit and stuff, but just make sure you have a stop loss. Daily equals bias, 4 to 1 hour equals context, 15 minutes equals entry. Damn, okay. But again, G-native, is it swing trading, day trading? What's your tang, chicken wing? Fun, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me? Oh, is it because of the brain malfunction? I get it. Don't worry. I laugh at myself all the time. Do you know how often my brain does that, where it's just like, nope. Done. Thanks. And it's Friday. Let's just bear that in mind, people. It's been a very long week. Yeah, it's been a very long week. Unless you're one trade from passing email, 5 NQ contracts, 4.5 seconds, 1 certificate in the email. I'm not solid because I had a little loss, I guess. I'm like 2 trades away theoretically. So I'm now $600 away. Yes. I'm at 52378.42. Yeah. So 6.5. So yeah, let's say 2 trades away from passing now. Because of the full loss this morning, unfortunately. But again, absolutely nothing here so far would have been a winning trade, which shows me this price action is actually not ideal. Day trading. Oh damn, okay, so you do day trading, nice. I lost around 500 pounds Bitcoin. Damn, G-Saki, I'm so sorry, that's rough. But it's all part of it, right? Sorry, I don't have anything to say apart from I was scrambling, I actually needed the little for that moment, but that's laughing at you. Is laughing with you. No, exactly. That's fair. Doing a little pointing and laughing. Nah, okay. Ever since I quit drinking, my patience and discipline about my entries have been better. So you used to... Sorry, this is getting maybe a little bit PG-13 for anyone that may be sensitive about this topic. Careful. You used to drink and trade? What? That's wild. What is a realistic growth for $2,000 account for a profitable trader? I don't actually know. I think you're gonna have to ask a little bit more experienced people. What's a realistic growth for $2,000 account for profitable trader? 2 baby trades. Yes, 2 baby trades. Hey, boom. No. I had a little loss during London and this price action is just... not ideal. I mean, looking at this, I'm thinking, oh, maybe this one could have been an A+, but too late and we're just going sideways, so it's fine. What's up, Boom? How you doing? How's your trading been going? Oh, thanks, Anton. How I can answer this since I'm doing the same thing as you. It's not about the numbers, it's about what your win rate is and your risk to reward ratio. Yep. The numbers are just something. Which comes after being profitable. I mean, that's a really good answer. Damn, okay. Nice, DJ. Hey, Cherokee Alexandra, what's up? How you doing? I'm good. I'm a little bit disappointed in the price action today, but it's fine. This kind of looks like this might not be... Well, no, let's see. We still have time. We still have time, but this potentially are sugar honey iced tea. But that being said, it would have been dumb to take this trade with the price action that's happening right now, but it would have been a win. But again, very dumb to take this trade, seeming as we're going sideways and there's been absolutely no confirmation, so it's fine. What is something if I try and trade it? Funny, right? That would actually be kind of funny. Anyways, got a friend who trades high, and if he doesn't get tons of emotions and overthinks his trade. That's interesting, OTT. But I guess, you know, that is supposed to mellow you out. This is something... No, honestly, OTT, this really, really sucks. I'm a little bit sad now, but it's fun. Anyone can get thousands in days with a trading account starting with 2,000, but is it maintainable? I remember I made in a day starting off with paper to watch you before my vacay, or perhaps you call it holiday. My friend said it would be impossible for you to make it to No, well, tell your friend that they are a negative Nancy and anything's possible, okay? I feel like you need to tell your friend that, and to not be such a negative Nancy. I can do the impossible. I wish. I really, really wish. It would be so amazing. But, Southpaw, I hope you have such an amazing holiday on your cruise. I am absolutely jelly. Maybe one day when I'm big, I'll be able to afford a cruise and go on a cruise. No, but I'll just get stressed and use her, but afterwards switching to swings and learning to cope without a crutch, I've really improved. That's interesting, Kwon, but well done. You know, well done. That's real good personal growth. I think trading really does, unfortunately, make you sit and reflect on yourself. I know that's a very weird thing to say, and I am aware that it's a very weird thing to say, but I don't quite know how else to explain it. It just really does feel like trading forces you to almost sit and reflect. Maybe that's just, yeah, maybe that's just me. No, this is not a funded prop firm account. I'm $600 away. I was 400 and then I had a little loss this morning because this price action, but it's fine. I used to be the same tuna toddler with my dubby. It's quite funny. Very small. Then occasionally, thing is getting friends for the longest of times. I'm worried, but things are. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's a bit difficult. What if the occasion occurs regularly? It's a game of inches. Okay, just bear with me. I'm sorry. This feels valid. I know this is not what you meant it as, but just to Juan's comment of it's a game of inches.
That's what she said.
I feel like I had to. Okay, anyway, sorry. Hey, Ocean Beats, what's up? No, I did take a break. Don't worry, guys. I did take a break. I had like a decent break, but I am back for the New York session. Yes. I have to do the burning. Anyways. Wait, what's your win rate and RR ratio? So my win rate is 60. Let's say 64%, and my RR ratio is 1 to 2R, but I do sometimes have runners that go further up, but let's say 1 to 2R. Yeah. You're funny, you're really big compared to some who have been streaming longer than you. That's nonsense. Aw. It's because I'm a girl. What is it that DeMonte said the other day? Female privilege. That's a lie. I just think I'm funny. Or I'm a problem. I don't know which it is, but I feel like you guys are here to watch the chaos. That is Maya. It's just chaotic, but you know what? I'm having fun. I think that's what's important. Like, there's days like this where you just kind of want to like, but I'm having fun learning and growing every day. I think that's it, right? It sucks seeing a good person go down that path. There's almost nothing you can do to get... Oh wow, we're gonna get a little bit deep here, but you can't force people to notice their problems. You can't force people to get help. They will only get better when they want to get help. And I think that's what's so challenging. It's nothing you can force out of people. They have to realize it for themselves and actually want to change. Or else that's how problems occur. I don't know how to calculate my win rate, but my RR is usually 1 to 3R. That's really good though, Hassan. A 1 to 3R trade is really, really good. How to calculate your win rate? You would take like 100 trades, how many were wins? Maybe more than 100, but let's just for argument's sake say take 100 trades, backtest 100 trades, and you know how many were wins, how many were losses. That's your win rate, right? Use a strategy called Strat and mix it with fibs. Hey, Bold Nightmare, what's up? Awesome name, by the way. Is it a strategy you came up with? So you use a strategy called the Strat. Okay, I'm completely intrigued by the name, by everything. Please tell me about your strategy. Please. Am I a size queen? Am I a size queen? What do you mean, am I a size queen? What does that mean? What is a size queen? What's a size queen? I want to know what that means now. To be fair, Old Me always was profitable, but I didn't have any stop losses as I was the stop loss. No, that's not a great thing. Anyways, I do like watching other traders. It's interesting to see how they think. Again, chaos. I do think I think maybe differently, but very same to a bunch of I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. You guys have obviously been doing this for much longer. Do I think similar to other traders? Or not really? Again, I'm pretty new, so I don't know. Like, I've watched some things. To be fair, most of the things that I watch with regards to trading is to do with psychology. Yeah, it's very much to do with the psychology behind it. Anyways, DJ, sometimes I'm not profitable for months, but almost every year I'm profitable. That's interesting, Hogs. What's your RR, Hogs, if you don't mind me asking? Indeed, you're right on that, but let's be real. Trading on a substance can help short term, but what about the long run if you can't deal with the emotions and psychological factors of trading? Work on that. OTT, have you maybe thought of like doing a convention? Are you the only one that's concerned, or not really? Does that make sense? Again, you can't force them to see that there's a problem. That's true, you're famous, but I don't think that's the only reason you've gotten popular. Oh, thanks, Southpaw. I really appreciate that. So, like I said, again, I feel bad saying this because I feel like I'm being judgy, but hear me out. I was watching another trader live the other day. They're so mean. Like, they're so mean. I try really hard to not be mean. Again, everyone does their own thing. I am the last person to judge if people aren't typing correct. Like, I am English and I mess up my typing skills all the time, and I am English. There are people that watch, I mean, like, I'm sure a lot of you guys, you watch daily, like, English isn't even your first language, and you type, you probably spell better than I do, to be fair. I have so much respect for you guys. But anyways, I was watching, he was then judging how someone asked a question because they typed it badly, and he was like, what is this English? And I was like, that's really uncalled for. Like, so much respect for people that know more than one language. I barely know another language. I'm terrible with languages. So for you guys to be here knowing multiple languages is freaking impressive. I'm not gonna judge you for spelling things wrong. Sorry, that's just me going on a little bit of rant because I thought it was really, like, I guess it was funny, and to some people they find that amusing, but I just thought it was mean. I don't think it's necessary to be mean to other people. This is supposed to be a supportive community. If you have a genuine question, I don't care how you've spelt it, decent human being, they're asking a question because they're genuinely curious, and now you're mocking them because they typed something out that's probably not their first language and they spelt things wrong. Like, if I had to attempt to even pretend to answer them in their language, I would not be able to because I can't speak it. And, sorry, that was my little rant done. I'm sorry. This price action is absorption. Yeah, this price action just sucks. Sean, I had a few close friends that used to be in headphones, and I learned how to read tapes from. Oh, that's interesting, Juan. Okay. Hogs. Okay, wait, I've missed a bunch. I'm so sorry. Did you run on the bus? I'm very similar to 58-ish win rate or scalping 1 to 2.5-ish for swing, and I might stop scalping. That's the last 170 trade. Oh, okay, see, DJ, interesting. I've been around markets ever since I was a kid, but trading myself, I've been doing it for 5 to 6 years. Entering shorts till 25653. You're really gonna enter something in this price action right now? Respect. Respect. Okay, good luck. Good luck. You got this. Who was it? I didn't even take note of who it was, Juan, to be honest. Even if I knew, I wouldn't say because, again, then I'm being mean and, you know, everyone must do their own thing. I mean, I've always been... Why? Anyways. I mean, I've always been the guy in the friend group who didn't do anything even in high school, and it was no awkward trying to talk them out. I'm the boring guy. Yeah, but okay, hear me out, OTT. Sorry, this might come across as harsh, but then do you really want to be hanging out with them? Sorry, I'm aware that sounds very harsh, so that I'll just say that once and carry on. People is because everyone thinks it's harmless for games and moral patients with psychosis. Yeah. Oh no, G native. Anyways, hey, be cool. Hey, be cool. What have you been? 1 out of 5, maybe more. Sometimes 1 out of 10. Oh, damn, Hogs. Okay. You would rather because you hit rock bottom quicker and you can bounce back. Whereas like a slow burn over years ruining your life slowly. That's interesting. Watching a stream for some time now, but now I see what your chart doesn't have. Like you buy, sell, but where is nuke the chart button? No, wait, what? What? I'm sorry. That even made me lose my headpiece. Where is nuke the chart button? What is that? Hey, Ty J Stoner, what's up? So you're giving some wisdom here. Well, I mean, the price action just, for lack of a better word, the price action sucks. So we're having some deep philosophical debates and discussion. When the charts are like this, it can sometimes be boring, which is why I absolutely love that I have you guys as this amazing community and we can keep each other company in situations like this, where it just sucks. Carrying on, sorry. As an RR, that's like my brother's trading. Damn, seriously, DJ? Oh. I'm doing it occasionally, but not everyone, or just when you wake up. Yeah, hey Jordy, yeah, you've come during some very entertaining stuff. What's up? Ebelkhan, hi, how are you? And Usma, hi! I love Patrick Wieland? I don't think it was him, if that's what you're asking. Weird conversations, yes. What did he... How do... Please send screenshots, because I'm curious. Also, hold on, sorry, I don't know if you answered me. Who are you watching that he is on? Did I get an A+ setup? Oh, do I get A+ setups daily? I had one earlier, it didn't work. So far, this price action just sucks. Know what price action works and what doesn't, so no. Like, right now, this price action sucks. I'm waiting for more confirmation. If it starts to head in a certain direction, awesome. Then we could actually get some trades in, which is amazing, but... Right now it's hands off. Even if I see a potential A+ setup, I'm not trusting the price action. Until I get confirmations, I'm hands off right now. Yes, to the expansion to the South Pole. No, 100%. Jordy, I said that during London as well. Unfortunately, Jordy, I took a little loss during London. I was so excited. I was $400 away from passing my eval. It finally, it messed around. It broke below. Can you see I had some amazing points of interest for it to come down and take. Broke below, I had my A+ setup and it just took me out. So now I'm not really trusting this price action, so until I get some proper confirmations, I'm hands off. Okay, I have to now check this. I'm super curious. Oh, did you send it? Let's see. I gotta see this. Oh. Oh no, it is him. Never mind. Interesting, but did he answer you? No, doesn't look like he answered you. Okay, anyways. Sorry, I'm watching things. Super curious about things. Who am I? No. I'll send a message now. Reggie can trade with them? Sorry. Where did you find it? Patrick, that's funny, and here's a DJ like me at heart. I love it. Extreme cold? Hi, do you want to bring some of that extreme cold this way, please? That would be amazing. Someone said something about trading. We got stuck talking about trading on different substances. Yeah, a little bit. This is just putting it out there. Not recommending any substances for anything, okay? Okay, just... Cool. Yeah, that's it. He did, I will have to go back and check. Oh, interesting, okay. Trading we're going through. This is not trading with mine, this is therapy with traders on the other hand. Night. Oh, thank you. No, this kind of is. This is low-key now. Wait. We finally broken out. Oh my gosh, do we finally have some price action? Some tradable price action? I'm gonna wait for confirmations. I'm not gonna hop in on this just because it looks like we've got some movement. But... this is potential. This is potential. I'm not gonna do what I did earlier. Let's wait for more confirmation before I just hop on in. Let's wait for some retest and break for confirmation that we're actually moving in a certain direction, that this isn't just a fake out. Okay, gonna wait for some confirmation. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, price action is starting to do what price action does. It's starting to move. I may or may not have had an energy drink, and I have too much energy today. Moving on. Let's talk about my friend. Aww. I'm not hard enough doing this so. Anyways, carrying on. I don't think they are. How many of y'all got chopped through that noise? Good question. Who tried to take a trade during that? Who tried to take a trade and got destroyed? Oh, I can jump on that one. Kwon, you missed your entry. No. I did not miss my entry. There's no entry here that would have been a winning entry with my strategy. Kwon, I can tell you that one for free. There's no entry here that would have been a winning entry for me here in this chaos. Has your trading been better ever since you started streaming? Oh, extreme cold. No, because I started streaming when I started trading. So I've always traded live. So yeah. Do not get in. Just indulge back in the day, but that thing got boring. So terrible, I can imagine my guts turning. Some days can imagine being... Oh! I love price. I told you may have... What? No! Okay. Price is... Yeah, come on, Solly. It's time. It's time! Well, no, we're assuming this could just go back and start ranging again. Oh, Sadako, sorry, I'm on the MNQ, so maybe that's why. So there's NQ and then there's MNQ. I don't know if you can see this. Which chart are you on? There we go. Can you see this? So there's ESNQ. I'm on the MNQ, so the micro Nasdaq. The Nasdaq and micro are similar-ish. But yeah, I'm using the micro Nasdaq. If you can help them, do it. Otherwise, avoid them if you can. Valid. Beyond help, I tried. Well, then, okay, again, OTT, maybe a harsh question or a harsh thing for you to think about is, do you really want to be hanging out with them? Again, I'm sorry, that it comes across as harsh and a little bit mommy, but you know. No, I'm just not serious about my life. There is no entry exactly now. Right. So if I didn't close break even, I would have been wicked out and dropped. Oh, that's rough. See, OTT, rough. Jim sounds like a handsome chap. Don't be mean. Not even that person do liking small price at the lowest price. Thanks for the free liquidity. I'm done though. Can't type now as I'm responsible for what happens. Okay. Let's see. Like I said, got a tiny bit of movement. Gotta now wait for confirmation. Let's not do what I did this morning. There was an A+. Like I said, I can't be upset about the fact that I took it, because there was an A+ setup, but the fact that it just completely disregarded everything shows me that the price action is not ideal right now. So let's wait, see if we get confirmation that the price action is more ideal for my setup before I take an A+ setup, or else I'm just being a dum-dum. Let's not be a dum-dum today in this poo-poo caca price action. Yes, I said poo-poo caca. We're going with it. We're just going with it today. Yeah, OTT, sorry, maybe it, again, I'm aware that maybe it seems a little bit harsh, but you want to be around people that are going to help build you up, right? You want to be around people who you want to strive to be like. Sometimes I feel like I need to practice what I preach, but you know, you want to strive to be successful, and you want to strive to be good and not do those type of things. You know, I know I'm sounding very mommy right now, so I'm gonna stop talking. Kwon, take the short. What in the FU candle is this? Instant stop loss. That would have been an instant stop loss. And this is why we wait for confirmations. What the heck was that? Oh, hell nah. Just hell nah. What the heck, man? Seriously, what in the FU candle was that? I mean, it broke below the 5-minute, retraced back in. Maybe this is going to start pushing back down. But again, I'm going to need confirmation that this is going to start respecting solidly before I hop into anything. Let's not be dumb. I feel like maybe I took a dumb trade earlier. I've had my dumb trade. No more. Let's be super strict about this now. That's so funny. Someone just blew an account. No, honestly, OTT, that was insane. It's not hard for a fact. Is we become what we repeatedly do and who we choose to keep around. Just my 2 cents. Okay, there we go. Me and Jordy are doing a little bit of a mommy and daddy right now to OTT. I'm so sorry. As little, are we just being really good friends? I'm gonna take it as we're just being really good friends and we're just being honest. We're not just sitting back and being like, you do what you gotta do. We're being like, no, no, no. I swear I just said account blown for some guy out loud. That is hilarious. Exactly. Despite how strong you claim to be, you'll end up doing it. Exactly. See.
Nice.
Don't be a silly goose. Don't trade in this rubbish right now. Holy guacamole. Just holy guacamole. This is insane. This is for whoever just blew their account. Oh, my silly goose is still going. Silly goose, calm down. Good grief, the silly goose goes for long. Aww, that's such a sweet comment. Prove that you're not an AI. Okay, number one, we've had this discussion like 50 times. I do not know how to prove that I'm not AI. Help me. I don't know how to prove that I'm not AI because then people judge me because I was like, look, I have normal hands because I know AI struggles to do hands and hands doing things. But anyways, people judge me for saying that, so I'm not going to say that again. Lesson learned. What's the name of my dog? My dog's name is Perry. I'm the youngest here. Good advice. Ah, we got you. I'm being a good ass friend right now. Maya, join the swing trading. Sorry. So I'm gonna say something. It's just because it's Friday, and clearly we are having an unhinged Friday. Clearly, this is all I'm getting. I'm getting that this Friday is just unhinged to the next level. When I read that, I didn't read the trading. I read swingers camp, and I was like, excuse me? Sorry. Oh gosh, I can relate to it. That's why I'm oversharing. Geordie, samesies. Sorry, that's all I'm gonna say. Samesies. I've had my fair share of being around the wrong people, and it's very bad. I have a prop firm account. I'm taking a short on this. Okay, Kwon, let me know how it goes.
Oh, periwinkle, what's that?
Maya, to be fair, on my screen you were twitching, lagging very hard and frequently. Okay, that's not my fault, that's Wi-Fi. Okay, that's the Wi-Fi's fault, that's not me. Turning the car around, going back to gym. 100%. I had a good buddy Korean squad. Yeah, just reading that. And everybody got serious and just kept on schmucking. It was hard to break that off. Yeah. 100%. But yeah. No, it's bad. What is sad is he's someone who went on a whole journey and see him do such, knowing he can potentially ruin his life. Maya is AI. I don't know. Again, you guys need to tell me how to prove that I'm not AI. I don't know how to prove that I'm not AI. Help me to help you. Help me to help you. I'm poor. How are we doing on this fine, beautiful Friday? Yes, but why your brain not braining such? I think it was the Wi-Fi. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That is amazing. You're right. Maybe I'm due for an upgrade. That's why the brain's having malfunctions. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Ah, software update. Ah. Anyways, sorry. I could blame the Wi-Fi. No, that's just the neurons just not doing what they're supposed to be doing. English. Anyways, I lost my investment ruin potential. Yes. UFC career. Do all the opportunities we saw from the day. Oh, damn, Solly, that's rough. I really think AI would expose itself. The lag Wi-Fi, that's just an excuse. It's a malfunction. Wow. Oh no, one of those. I'm sorry. Yeah. I just teleport. How did I teleport? What happened? What is happening? Rugby though, not MMA, but it's sad to see and sadly also a lesson. Oh, I'm scared now. AI variety test. I don't know what that is. What does that even mean? Help me. It's life. We all know someone. Nope. I thought there was a Wi-Fi upgrade recently. There was. It's still not great. I need to get a cable and just plug it into my PC. See AI behavior. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, you guys need to... How can I prove that I am not AI? Maybe that's the question. You guys have to help me out here. Like, I don't know. Was me jumping in the pool not proof? I feel like that could have been proof. I feel like it would have splooshed weirdly if I was AI, right? What else is proof? I don't know. Would AI really be able to keep the tattoos looking the same all the time? Maybe that's haha. Haha. Wouldn't AI mess up the tattoos? What's 2 plus 2? 4? Yes, I need to try and get an Ethernet cable because I upgraded it to 50 megs, but unfortunately the Wi-Fi is upstairs. So I think there's a little bit of a... And also, let's just be honest. Yeah. So I was about to say things and then I was like, I'm gonna give away where I live. Maybe I will just shut up. Hello? Marry me, they'll understand. What? Spell red, R-E-D. Let's try and jailbreak this AI. This is funny. Not AI, yep. Hey Manav, what's up? How you doing? I believe you're not. Thank you, I appreciate it. My AI should do something. Oh my gosh. If I had to use my fingers to get 2 + 2, maybe I shouldn't be trading, where there is some math involved. But anyways, I could have sworn you had 6 fingers once. Bicky suspicious, eh? Oh, knit a bikini. Oh gosh. OTT, she also sounded unsure to whether the answer was 4 or not. Yes, because I thought there was like a trick question. You know, like in high school it was, what does 1 + 1 equal? And then it was window, because they did 1 and then plus and 1 and then equals, and it looked like a window. You know, that was the dumb things you used to do when you were a kid. Anyways. Everyone knows red is spelled... What, DJ? Now you're giving me a brain malfunction reading that. Oh my gosh. Change my name as your thumbnail. I remember writing the comment. Manav, I do know you. What's up? Oh. Scandal. Damn, Jordy, how long have you been waiting to let that... Okay. Whatever Beetlejuice says, I just want to make you laugh. Not trigger everyone, sorry. Hey, I might... No, apparently you've now started something here. You've started something. Man in high school did pure maths. I still use my calculator for 2 + 2. Judge if you may, I'm not ashamed. You know, OTT, me too, because in my brain I knew it was correct, but I needed to confirm. I needed confirmation. 100%. Even if it was something stupid, I was like, wait, I need to double check that I'm not dumb. I get it. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh. You know what? Apart from the price action being yucky today, I had a really fun day with you guys on the charts. Again, not trading wise, the price action sucked and I did have a loss, but again, losses are part of it, right? But apart from that, I've had such a fun day with you guys today. We've been having proper freaking giggles watching this AI. Watching this price action be all over the place. It is, it's doing sad price action. Look at it. It's just sad. Ooh, there's an engulfing. Let's see if this goes and hits the bob level. There was that engulf. I mean, that wasn't engulfing. That was ridiculous. But anyways. RTT, that is so true for me as well. My mental maths fully broke down after 16. It's, I mean, to be fair, it's the same as spelling. If I don't have spell check, I feel like I don't know how to spell things properly anymore. It's really bad to admit that. But like, even if I like write things down, I'm like, oh my gosh, is this correct? And I need to like confirm on my phone because sometimes it doesn't look quite right. Unfortunately, I do feel like technology has made people a little bit lazy. Yes, I know that makes me sound very old. I'm aware. But tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. Or you, to anyone that's just joining, you're coming at a very weird time. What would we do without you, man? I have no idea. The price action today sucks. I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat that. The price action today sucks. I had a loss during London, unfortunately. But it was an A+ setup, so you know, things happen, and now with this, it's just bad. It's just bad. But yeah. The price action today just sucks. It's also not really a surprise after yesterday's freaking drop to the center of the earth, but it's okay. How's yours going, Inferno? How's it going? My spell check has a mind of it. That's valid. Am I scalper or intraday? More scalper, I guess. Womp womp. Oh, thanks. Appreciate it. Womp womp, not whoop whoop. Valid. That's valid. Do we think price action's gonna start price actioning like price action should be price actioning, or do we think price action's just gonna keep looking sad today? What do we think? Hey, how do I go back? What's up? What you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Hope you're doing amazing. Friendly remind. 38 years old is being... No, it's not. I'm sorry, what? I feel like that's a lie. That's not right. I'm 30 and I feel old. I can't connect with the younger generation. To be fair, okay, maybe this is me, I don't know. In general, I've never gotten along with people younger than me, apart from OTT and Solly. Before I get yelled at. I've always gotten along with people older than me. I don't know. Scalped a few trades, but nothing too great. Lost 3 accounts yesterday, though. Oh my gosh, Inferno, no, I'm so sorry, what happened? But I'm happy I had 4 green days in a row this week. Hey, Jordy! What the heck, man? That's amazing. Well done. Whoop, whoop, then. Risk appetite day, no, 100%. We've been stuck in the 930 range, basically. I know all traders tried both longs and short and got cooked. No, 100%. That's why I said I'm waiting for confirmation. This is sad. Literally, look, this... No, this is sad price action. Check. It took out internal, external, internal, external. Majority on ES, but still, this is sad. This is literally seek and destroy price action. This is what kills accounts. Oh, hell nah. I like the way you say it, lol, that's different. It's with a J. What? Is it Jaro or Haro? Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Was it... Have I been mispronouncing it the whole time? I'm up 12 today on my... Oh, nice. Well done, Roshenbad. Kilimanjaro. Oh, yeah, got it. Sorry, it's because I used to call someone Jean because I had a J, and then I got yelled at because it was Kwon. I can't win. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for mispronouncing it. I apologize. Sully with it. I could say I'm 50 and y'all wouldn't know. That's true. No. To be fair, I've spoken to you. We've seen your face. You are not 50. Cash rate for men is around 76 or something, 76. And we retire around 60. So technically Oh! Excuse me? DJ, how old do you think I am? DJ, how old do you think I am? Told you when Basel Cell doesn't work out, press the nuke button. DJ coming out with research. There's still some room for the upside. Oh, we could really break this down. Let's go on to middle age. Wow. Just... Wow, I'm scared that I'm getting too old. Risk, made 5% shorting silver, then stop trading for the day. This is a flat, unstable market full of noise, almost a no trade day. No, what do you mean almost? This is a no trade day. Well, especially for my strategy, let's just be clear. I think for some people, they might love these days. You know, like, what is it? Sell when it takes the high, buy when it takes the low. I think the people that have those strategies are having the best time today. Oh, cool. Okay, well then, Haro it is. You best believe I'm gonna keep calling you that. Wait, did DJ answer? DJ, how old do you think I am? DJ? Yes, I am 28, but I'm not 38. I'm not middle-aged. You said 38 is middle. I still got 10 years to get there. Damn. Anyways. Sorry, you're a savage. He is. He's so mean to me. But anyways. Oh, sorry. Sadiq, what's my strategy you want to know? So my strategy, I'm going to make it super short and sweet and simple. It's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. That's about it. It is quite a sweet and simple strategy, but I like it. How do you afford life if you aren't profitable? Well, ain't that just a personal little question over there? DJ, how old are you if you don't mind me asking? Oh yeah, DJ's young, but anyways, he just called me old. It's fine. I mean, what's my entry model? 50% retracement. So again, market auction theory. I'm 20 years old. No ways I'm 28. Yeah, Bahara, how old did you? Oh! Oh my gosh! That is so rough! Did you guys just see what Bahara said? No ways you're 28. The sun must have hit you hard. Don't mind me while I just go cry into a pillow tonight. Damn! Not a savage today. Savage. Good grief. Damn. So, OTT, now you know how I feel. I'm just saying. I still feel like I'm 12 when I'm online. Have I gotten to the payouts? No, not yet, Bahara. Like I said, I'm now $600 away from passing this eval. I was $400, but I had the little loss this morning in London. Losses happen, it's fine, and this price action, clearly, you know, I was hoping that today I would pass. It would be such a nice way to end Jan and end this week passing the eval, but clearly just wasn't meant to be. That was so mean. Oh gosh. OHP 20 again, even 28. Can't ask a woman their age. Well, too late. I'm saying Rogo. Men's 10 right now and binge the heck out of it. You guys are so rough. I'm 26. I feel like I'm 27 and old. Why not trade small accounts? What do you mean? Oh gosh, what was the dick? Now speccing out my Lambos. Damn, Inferno! Damn, I had to just go. That's this trading stream, thanks. What have I just started? No, 100%. Shoku, this is all on you. This is all on you. Just saying. Don't worry, this is a really funny conversation. I'm having lots of fun, but still. Inferno, can you buy? Yo, honestly, wait, Inferno, why sharing the love here? Why are you not sharing the love? There's a little donation thing right there, or a little membership. Like, come on, clearly if you can afford Lambos, share the love. Share the love, please. That would be amazing, thanks. Is that enough to go full-time with? No, that's a joke. Oh man, how mean. So rude. DJ, I'm gonna rewatch it. Bring back nostalgia. I'm 35, I feel old now. Oh, it's not old at all. One of my friends is like 38, so apparently middle-aged. Anyways, gosh. I mean, to be fair, one of my best friends, well, I guess ex-best friend, was 12 years older than me. Yeah, it's not a 200k account fee, which is like or something. Thinking with FN, Inferno would love. Mine pink, thank you. Ooh, a bright pink Lambo? Yes, please. Yes, please. Just because it would look so cool, and I'm pretty sure we don't have any down here. OTT, have you seen that? I don't think it's a Lambo. It's, or is it a Lambo? Oh shoot, this is gonna bug me. The Lambo that just has anime all over it. Now I'm gonna have to try find it. In South Africa, like he goes to all the Comic-Cons and car shows. He has, I think it's Demon Slayer all over his car. Is it a Lambo? Sorry, this is gonna bug me. No, it's him. It's not him. It is him. No, it's not him. Oh my gosh, this is gonna drive me crazy. Is it a Lambo? Oh, man. I'm gonna have to find it and send it on Discord. But there's someone in South Africa. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, that I got a Lego Marvel on PC game. It's the most nostalgic for me and advanced format. Aww, Cherokee. cool. AI Maya. Y'all guys, don't forget to press that like button. I know there's not tons of people watching, but we're having lots of fun right now. I didn't expect much from this price action and it being New York and a Friday today, but it's fine. 10K. DJ coach behavior. Isn't that statistically middle age? I don't agree with that. Anyways, test it out. Just got a leverage. DJ got all the Lego games, but my villains is my favorite. I don't even think I have to be here for this conversation, but it's fun to witness everyone talking about all these things. No one even cared about my cool car. What the heck, man? Why does no one care about my cool car? So Josh, you think Bitcoin's about to skyrocket? I am offended. Oh my gosh, this sucks. This really, really sucks. Bouncing off a VWAP on ES. Okay, I'm gonna do like 3 steps on these egg back. Hey Doc Angel, what's up? How you doing? Obviously don't know worse. I'm a tree climber all day in harness, like I'll stay out of this chop, right? Yeah, Dark Angel, I took one trade this morning during London where it looked like it had broken out of the chop and I had an A+ setup. Unfortunately, it was a fake out. Unfortunately, I got caught in the fake out. I should have waited for more confirmation, but it was an A+ setup, so I guess good that I took it, but also bad that I took it. I should have waited for more confirmation. So I had one loss today, but otherwise I have not touched this at all. This sucks. Yeah, sweet and simply. This is just sucky. Are we all gonna ignore the barcode right now? Yeah. Dark Angel, how's it been going? I like Porsche, because why not? You're gonna stop me. Kwon, what time is it for me? It's 6 p.m. Well, good that you took it. Waiting for confirmation is life. No, 100%. Time to play a video now. No, I agree. I agree. This price action sucks. You know what? Do I have notifications on news and most missed volume of the day? I do not. I do not. Going great. We'll start looking at live trades again. Ooh! Okay, Dark Angel. Sorry, there's now 2 DJs. Dark Angel, that is amazing. I'm super excited. Please let me know how it's going. Please let me know how it's going. I actually have to message Bob. I need a message Bob. Yeah, I need a message Bob now. For the faint-hearted, it's worth though. Plus, I love it. OTT now. ACP for Violin 64 Impala. Are you getting that Impala from Supernatural? Just saying. I do not have signal alerts, no. Because every trade that I take live and I do scalping. So yeah, I am here watching it. So I don't have alerts and things. The vibes. We'll do things. Okay. Do you know what I am gonna do? Macro's now much better stops there. Yay! Nice. Okay, okay. That's amazing. So you're gonna do the micros. Okay, DJ, we've got this. We've got this, DJ. And brick. Yeah, so DJ, I was $400 away from passing this eval. Now, because of that loss, I'm back to like $600. But it's okay, right? One step at a time. One step at a time. Yeah, I found the reference price. No. Not really. I'm on season 3 of Supernatural. If someone spoils it for me, I will delete you. Oh, damn. OTT coming with the threats over here. I don't know if it would be helpful knowing if there was anything hopping around overnight. Oh, no. I like sleep. Oh, thanks, Doc Angel. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's a journey, right? It's one step at a time. Mistakes happen. Like I said, today, theoretically, I shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Should have maybe waited for more confirmation before entering. lesson learned, because I mean, there was an A+ setup that formed earlier, and I said absolutely not, waiting for like confirmation. Luckily I didn't. It would have hit stop loss straight away. I don't actually know what that one was. Okay, but you know what? I don't think this price action is going anywhere. I might be calling it early. That being said, I will hop on Discord for a little bit. If you guys want to join on Discord, even if it's just to chill and play a game, we don't even have to talk trading, but I'm hands off. I'm done. I'm not going to trade this, even if it looks like there's an A+ setup. I'm not trusting this price action today. Oh, can you see the London trade? Yeah, sure. Here we go. So here's the London trade. So you can see it was chopping between. We finally had a nice break. And there was... Let me zoom out. Sorry, there we go, Wi-Fi. There was a nice break, and I thought I wanted to retest further down into this fair value gap. You can see there was even levels here. Maybe take out the New York low. There's such juicy stuff going on here. And I had my A+ setup. Yeah, I had the A+, I had my shelves, I had my fair value gap, and I had an order block. So I was like, heck yeah, this has 3 confluences, let's go. When I saw this engulfing candle though, maybe I should have called it there, but it's happened before where I've had an engulfing and it just came back down. So like I said, it was an A+. I should have maybe waited for more confirmation, should have maybe waited for it to retest and go back down before getting in, but it's fine. This isn't going to be volume, but the market is going sideways, so go home. Yep, I'm super tempted to ruin it for you. Don't do it. Do I stream on Discord? No, I won't stream on Discord. Hey, High Life, what's up? Isn't funny, but you always need confirmation before coming in. Yep. It's no, High Life, it's not okay. I was actually... Yeah, London... Literally, I entered on the London turn and fake out. That was fun. It's fine. It is what it is. Lesson learned, wait for more confirmation. Don't just jump in when there's a break. I've told myself this before, it's what I need to do more often. Yes, wait for confirmation, but then wait for confirmation of the confirmation? If that makes sense. Especially on choppy days. Sorry, I'm not sure if that made sense. Okay. I know it's a little bit early, but I can't picture this getting any better today. I really can't picture this getting any better today, so I'm gonna actually call it here. I might hop on to Discord for a little bit if you guys want to join. Please feel free. Discord's in the link below. If it's not working, pop me an email. I'll send you the link. I love you guys madly. I'll be back Monday. London and New York session. Let's do it. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. I love you guys.